Happy Monday, everybody. James had to go to the gynecologist today, so Boston Jim is taking over. Apparently, there's an amplifier I gotta give away. If it was up to me, I'd just sell it for cash down the street behind the Best Buy, but oh well. To determine our winner, we use a random name generator. And the winner of the Audiopipe 4-channel amplifier is Kyle Powell. You lucky son of a mother. Congratulations, Kyle. Congratulations. We're all so happy for you. Kyle has 48 hours to respond before I sell it for cash behind the Best Buy. But since I'm here and it's been a while, why don't we do some top comments? Jesus Benavidez, let me in. Your mom still owes me one from the last Uber ride. What, do you think you're a good Samaritan or something? An Uber ride? That's nothing compared to the time that I postmated your mother Plan B. That's expensive, bruh. Mervin Kalemani, this guy, who drives on the left side of the road? Most of the country around the world. You think we're wrong? Actually, Mervin, only 33% of the world's population drives on the left side, alright? Try fact checking next time. Sergio Aguilera, say hello to your sister for me. I will, after she gets back from your mother's. Remix mods. This would look nice in my mom's van. Surprisingly, your mother's van is spacious as hell. However, that shag carpet gave me rug burns all over my knees and my Big Poncho 28, give me the pipe. Gross, man. Curtis Beckerly. Mom said hi. Dude, can you tell her to stop calling me? Like 37 voicemails in one day is a little excessive. Stage 5 clinger over here. Michael Lascari. Shout ahead. It's pretty accurate. Car Audio Joe. Boston Jim. Do you like apples? How do you like them apples? Almost as much as your mother likes my apples. 25 Hertz to Life. Your mom needs me to upgrade for her to hear White Snake. You know that White Snake song that goes, "Here I go again on my own"? That's about your mother going downstairs on me. Gamer Goody 21. Your mama's so fat I took a picture of her last Christmas and it's still printing. Hey, my mother's not fat, alright? She's full-bodied. She's naturally curvy. How come fat guys can't be naturally curvy? Like an overweight woman is full-bodied and brave and just like body positivity. But a fat guy, no one cares about fat guys. Fat guys aren't curvy. According to society, fat guys have rolls. Why can't they have curves? Fat guys should also be able to be proud of their naturally curvy bodies. Jake Weg, your mom's a winner in my book. Jake, I didn't know you knew how to read. Timmy D, Miss Boston Jim. I'm right here, baby. The Third Era. Can't wait to use this amp like I used your mother. Drove hard and put away wet. You're talking about a vacuum, right? I Benji Z. Come do the same thing on my car. That's what she said. Alright, everybody, have a fantastic week. Hopefully James's vagina is okay. I'll keep you posted on that. Until then, stay tuned for some new videos coming out this weekend. Always, say hi to your mother for me.